Hey guys and girls, Lily here with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you 7 basic commands everyone should know. For Windows users, they'd use CMD or PowerShell, and Unix users, that would be Linux or Mac users, they'd use the terminal. To open the command prompt, you go to Start and you type CMD, or you can press the Windows key and R and type cmd.exe, and this would open up the command prompt. There's also the PowerShell, but I will not be showing you how to use the PowerShell in this video. So yeah, Unix users, they'd use the terminal, and to open the terminal you'd press Command Alt and T, and that will bring up the terminal. So the first basic command that everyone should know is the change directory command, and to do that command you'd press CD, which means change directory, and the name of the directory you'd wish to go to. So what this command does is it helps you to navigate through your directories. So what do I mean by directories? I mean help you to navigate to folders. So let's say I want to go to my desktop. As you know, the desktop is a folder, right? So I type desktop cd desktop, and it would take me to my desktop. Not only can you go to folders, you can also go to subfolders within folders. So let's just say I want to go to a folder on my desktop called desktop. I'd type cd desktop / and the name of my subdirectory, which in this case is also desktop. And now I'm in the desktop folder on my desktop. So just to explain what that cd ... did before, it brought me back to my previous directory. So anytime you're in a directory and you want to go to the previous one, you just type cd space full stop and enter, and it will take you back to the previous directory. So the second command is the list directory content, and what this command will do is it will display everything that is in a directory. So let's go back to our desktop and let's view what's on our desktop. So type dir for Windows users, and here it will list all the content within the directory that I am currently in. For Unix users, what they'd have to type is ls, and it will also list the content of the directory. So for Windows users, they'd type dir, and for Linux users, they'd type ls. The third basic command that everyone should know is the make directories command, and this is mkdir, which stands for make directory. So you type that, then you put a space, and then the name of the directory. So let's call this one test, and this command will work on Windows, Mac, and Linux machines. So you press enter, and we have created a new folder called test. And let's just use our command here to check if our folder was created. So that's dir, and this command, as we learned earlier, will list the content of our current directory. So if we go through, we can see that we have our folder here called test. Linux users, remember, you'd have to type ls for that to work. The fourth basic command everyone should know is the command that will allow you to create files using the command line. So to do this, for both Windows and Unix users, you type touch space the name of the file you want to create and the extension. So in this case, I'm creating a .txt file, and there you go. So if we check, we should see file name .txt, and that's the file we created just now. I'm going to show you something a little extra. I'm going to show you how to open that text file using Notepad from the command line. So you type Notepad and the name of the file and its extension. And there you go, we have opened the file using the command line. Ipconfig is another basic command that everyone should know how to execute in the command line. Now if you're a Unix user, you would type ifconfig, And what this command will do is it will allow you to check your private IPv4 address. To find it, you need to search for IPv4 address, and that will show you your private IP. The ping command is another basic command that everyone should know. Now, what this command will do is it will allow you to either check whether you have internet connection or to get the IP address of a website. So what do I mean check if you have internet connection? Well, if you type ping and the name of a website, if you saw it said no replies or you were getting a timeout error, that would probably mean that you have no internet connection. And also, if you have internet connection and you got replies, you would see that you got the IP address of google.com. So if for some reason you need the IP address of a website, just ping it and you'll get the IP address. If you'd like to check the structure of your directory, the tree command is the command you use. So what do I mean by the structure of your directory? So what this command will do is it will list all the folders and its subfolders and files within that subfolder. So let's take this VirtualBox folder for example. So this here is telling me that I have 4 subfolders, and within those 4 subfolders I have one other subfolder called logs. So if you quickly want to find out how many subfolders or files you have, you can just run the tree command. And the final command that everyone should know is the clear screen command. Now, after you've gotten your command line all messy, you need to know how to clear it. Now, for Windows users, you would type CLS, and for Unix users, you would type the word clear, and it will clear the command line. So that's it for this video, guys. That's 7 basic commands that everyone should know. Stay tuned, I have a lot more videos coming out this week. This week is the week I am producing 14 videos, so I'm trying to release 2 a day. I already have them, they just need to be edited, and for some reason Sony Vegas is giving me hell, but I'm still gonna get you those 14 videos for this week. This is Lithium. Remember to share the video, to like the video, and subscribe. Peace.